If you're new here, me and John, we're crypto miners. We started a crypto mine. We are resellers, and we're here to document our journey. So come along with us. All right. What do you guys think that the BTC hash rate will be next bull run? Can you clarify that a little bit? We already hit another all-time high for total hash rate on the actual blockchain. So are you talking about in total, or are you talking about like the next best thing with a miner, or you can give a little bit more detail on that network hash rate?
We have some key things to look at. We got some new miners down in the pipeline.
Yeah, since there's some new ones, they're doing 250 plus. Who knows what miner will compete against that with their next best thing. So yeah, network hash rate after the halving, expect it to double. That's the only thing I can think of. Think about. I mean, even still, like it is just epic right now. But after the halving, I would expect it to at minimum double. So it's going to get harder to mine. People are going to refuse to shut off. Like after this next halving, I think it's going to be very unique, because once this next halving comes, like we're almost to 1 BTC per 1 block. Think about it. Like we are 6 years away from that actually happening, about roughly. So, and then after that, dude, then we're like less than 1 BTC per block that's mined. Like FOMO, honestly, I think FOMO is really going to kick in after this next bull market. Again, not financial advice, not financial advisors, but if you really think about it, we're going from 6 BTC, which it's now sitting, just under 20K. It's been floating sideways at 16, 17, whatever. Yeah, if you think about it, dude, it's going to drop down to 3 and some change, right? 3.25, I think, or something like that per block. Like it is going to get so competitive and hard to mine Bitcoin after this next halving. FOMO is really going to set in, and I don't like comparing it to price because 1 BTC is 1 BTC, but there's going to be a lot of FOMO. I think personally. I'm some guy on the internet. Don't
two major competitors out there for BTC mining. That's Antminer and WhatsMiner. They got the bigger hashing machines that are out there. And another thing you got to consider is there's already development for the 5 nanometer chip. We went from 14 to 7, and now we've got 5 coming up very soon. Will they release that chip prior to the bull market, or are they going to wait for the bull market to launch that 5 nanometer chip? And that's going to be a huge increase in efficiency when they launch those 5 nanometer chips for these ASICs. And are they going to go full immersion and do away with air-cooled machines? So there's other factors that will skew that network hash rate, I think, that really hasn't been brought to light. I mean, I'm talking in theory. I'm talking, kind of out of the side of my mouth here, when it comes to some of these chips. But, following Moore's Law, following what we've seen in the past, the history, and what we've seen from Bitmain and WhatsMiner and Goldshell, they hold back technology until it's best for them to release it. Yeah. So cryptocurrency is decentralized, but they hold the machines that allow us to be involved in cryptocurrency. So it'll be interesting.